Hi guys! In today's video, you will learn how to convert RAR file to normal file in iPhone. To convert the file, go to Shortcuts app. Then, search for File. Now select the RAR file you want to extract. And then search for Extract File function. Then select the magic variable. Then search for Save function. And then now, click this play button at the top. Then select where you want to access the file. And now, go again to your files and you'll see the file is extracted. And that's all! Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.